In 2024, I had a plan for 2025, or my motto for 2025 was to put myself first, do the things that makes me happy. And one of it is to make my environment very clean, modern, and cozy. Let me say a very big thank you first. If this is your first time, my name is Annie Krieger, a foodie, a chef. I share recipes and once in a while vlog like this. And also to my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. Thank you for coming around. Today, I will take you along on what my kitchen looks like. Guys, no place like home. So I started the journey of renovating my kitchen, my house, and other space downstairs. Everything started like a joke. Now I'll go to work, come back, and start what I'm doing here, taking off the old kitchen and the ties. So, guys, I just got home. Now, before I left work, it was so good because I felt good because I thought like I'm done from work today. And then when I got into the car, I realized there is no complete home for now because of the construction that is going on at home. Now, we have some things sometimes we never value it until that thing is not there. Now, there is nothing like home, no matter how your home look or how things looks. There is nothing like home. This is what my home looks like now. Let me show you the original stage of what everywhere looks like. Now, when we started, okay, because I've been saying hi, when we started this journey, even if I could not believe my husband would do this with me, I still couldn't believe it. It was like a joke when I said, I want to renovate this kitchen, and he refused. And then from kitchen, I said, why don't we just also renovate the bathing room? And then he also refused. And then let's just do the passage the wrong way, and then it was a talk, and let's just do the the toilet. So finally, after all the argument, he accepted, and we are into the work now. Now, to be honest with you, this is what my house looks like, guys. What I meant by it is not easy. At first, I didn't know what I was going into. I thought it was just, it's a simple thing. And then we began to take off the tiles. We began to break the walls because things are going to be shifted. Some things won't be where it used to be, and those things began there's a lot of dust. The dust was much. We couldn't sleep in the house anymore, even upstairs, because in the night I was still feeling or breathing in the dust everywhere. Now what we did is just move out of the house. We are sleeping at this moment at a time at my husband's son's place. Now, this whole thing, it's not something we are doing alone, because a lot of things we are doing it. You can see the wall we broke in the kitchen. It has been recovered. This hobby, my husband did all that. The floor is out. The electric, okay, the rewiring of the light and different position. We had someone to do that. Okay, company cannot do this for us because it will cost a whole lot of money, which we don't have. So here in diaspora, most of the indigenous, they are good at handworks. There's a lot of things they do on their own. We have a whole room full of working tools. This is because they do a whole lot of DIY. Because if you want to rely on company, then I think most, maybe half people will not do anything. So these are the things we could do ourselves. This is hobby, trying to break the wall in the bathing room, because things will be shifted from one place to the other. The washing basin will, I wouldn't, I shifted it to another side, so they have to trace the pipe from where it used to be to the new place I want it. Okay, breaking walls was a lot, and this is what cost a lot of dust. And then we also have I need another, like a shower, standing shower. We used to have a bath, okay, the bathing bath, that's what we have before. So everything will be modernized and more like a more space. And yeah, this thing just worked out as planned, not as planned because I didn't think it will come this far. It's a lot to do, a lot. Now, thank God we know people who is helping us, assisting us, people, qualified people, real qualified people, but not from company. We know someone who knows the other, who knows electrical, who knows the tiles layer, someone who knows maybe the plumber. This is a whole lot of help. But we did a lot of things. The starting, the rough work, we did a lot. We did those things ourselves. And here, I want you to stick around with me and just watch out what this whole space will turn into. I myself, I'm a little bit nervous because I know what I want. I have everything planned in my head, and I just hope that things works out the way I planned it. Now, so far, the floor, the tiles has started. The kitchen is coming so far because in the next 1 week or 2 weeks, the delivering of the kitchen will take place. So we needed the kitchen first to be finished. Okay, so the electric is done. Electrician, I'm always saying electrical in German. Electrician job is done, more like done. For the first step is done. They've rewired the walls from one place to the other, covered up everywhere, which Obi is doing. We still have to paint this kitchen, do a whole lot of job. And then the runway is also somehow okay, guys. Somehow tired. I'm trying to be fast because before they will on one machine again that would distract me. Okay. And this is how we've come so far, guys. Please stick around and see the end of this whole journey of this renovating of house or my home. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button if you haven't already done so. And if you want to see more, I still have more to discuss with you on those video. What it takes before you buy a house in Europe. Are you to go for new house or old house? How we got here? Maybe we will talk a little bit about it in the upcoming video. But first, the workers have to eat. Yes, so I have to make something for them every time. Sometimes I have off all week. Sometimes I'll go to work, come back and start to work. Also do the house renovating with them, doing one thing, helping them to do one thing or the other. Now, our menu for today is a vegetable patty with some boiled brassy potato and salad. So to start with, I have my shredded cauliflower and I added some mixed vegetable, everything well chopped. I added some pressed boiled potato to bind it, some leg and onion, just saute that before adding it. I had a breadcrumb seasoned with salt, pepper, bouillon powder if you care, and then adding some fresh herbs if you have any. I didn't want to touch mine now because they are still too fresh in the garden. So I added some shredded cheese. I don't know, the camera didn't catch that. So you want to form it to a small patties like this. You can bake them in the oven or just pan fry them a little bit. Now to pair this vegetable patty, what I did is some brassy potato, okay, and then some dipping yogurt sauce with some salad. That's just a perfect meal because we have someone who is a vegetarian at home, and this was a perfect menu, very fast, not too fast because you have to cut everything to a very small size. And this is it, guys. I hope you stick around for the upcoming update of this renovation. I would say thank you so much. Don't forget to hit the like button. Please leave your opinion in the comment section and see you all in my next one. Bye for now.